Hi, we are a group that studies mathematics 1 to 3, and here's our group members. Today we are going to talk about quadratic equation. First, I would like to talk about the history of quadratic equation. By 1545, Girolamo Cardano completed works related to the quadratic equations. The quadratic formula covering all cases was first obtained by Simon Stevens in 1594. In 1637, René Descartes published the large geometry containing the quadratic formula in the form we know today. The first appearance of general solution in the modern mathematical literature appeared in an 1896 paper by Henry Hitton. Next, our group member would like to talk about the quadratic function.
Hello, I will continue to talk about quadratic functions. In mathematics, the quadratic function is expressed as follows this one. A is not equal to 0. X is an independent variable. The two rows of the quadratic equation are these two. Convert the quadratic function to this one. We can get the parabolic Vodcast. There are two graphs about opening directions. For this one, if the a greater than 0, the opening direction is upward, and also we can get these two important information. For this graph, we can know if a less than 0, opening direction is down, and also we can get these two important information. There are three graphs in here. As the a increases, the intersections is the same. The parabolic becomes larger, and these two. We can know the same between these two graphs. As the b increases or decreases, the vectors are become smaller. And also, the difference between these two graphs is the parabolic become to the left. This one, the parabolic become to the right. And now April and Ich and Liu will give you the example related to our line.
Here is an example for quadratic function parabola. This is a period for an isolated through the short. According to this question, we can get here is 1 meter, here is 3 meters, and here is 4 meters. We want to calculate the result of the short player. This means the distance for here. According before, we know the top point for x is this. In this question, this equals 4. Then we can get b equals minus 8a. We also know the original formula is this. We put x equals 0, y equals 1 into 8. Then we can obtain y equals c equals 1. Moreover, we also know when x equals 4, y equals 3, then we can get this one. We put the before equation into here, we can get a and b, and the final equation. According before, we know focal points for x is this. We already know a, b, and c, then we can get x. We reject this result because it's negative and smaller than this one. So the result is this meters.
There is an example for how to use the quadratic function to find the maximum profit in life. From this question, we can use the cost of new product is $10 per box. When the price is $15, they can sell 20 boxes per day, and for each price increase $2, landing 5 filler boxes will be sold. Let price of this new chocolate be X, and the number sold be Y. Using the information, we can get this function. The revenue from selling this box chocolate is R equals X multiply Y. Let the cost C. We are told C equals 10 multiply Y. The profit Z is revenue minus cost. Then we can get Z function. Simplify Z function to vertex form. We can get the final function. This is an upside-down quadratic, so maximum profit is 105.625, and this occurs at price of $16.5 each. That's all our video. Thanks for watching.